Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Yvette Cooks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I want to quickly show you how to make fat burning green juice, and I'm going to start by showing you the ingredients. So I have some cucumber, then I have some celery stems and some apple. The apple is just to sweeten, guys, and you can use any type of apple of your choice. And I also have some lemon there, and I'm going to juice it with the skin. And I'm just making it that simple, guys. No complicated ingredients in this. All of these ingredients I'm showing you guys are full of antioxidants, they are full of vitamins and minerals. So these are good. If you wanted to add, like, to tweak with some different kinds of vegetables, that's perfectly fine. But this is my go-to because it's quick and it doesn't and they juice very easily. So I'm just using my juicer right there, and I'm just gonna juice these babies and come out with a fat burning green juice. So usually, guys, I drink this for breakfast in the morning and then keep you full quite a bit, because this is like, it's like you're drinking sweet water, but then at the same time you are getting all this minerals and all this fat burning things that are part of this fruits and vegetables. And the good part is that it tastes really good. So yeah, I'm just blending everything, guys. Just not blending. I am just juicing everything, guys. And it's also fun juicing this stuff, I tell you. So it's quite foamy right now, and I'm just gonna go ahead and stop my juicer and remove some of this foam. So I'm just gonna quickly remove some of that foam. And the thing is, when it settles, some more of that foam is gonna come up, and you don't need to drink this foam, guys. Really, you just concentrate on drinking the juice and just remove the foam. So I remove some of that foam, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish juicing my remaining ingredients. And yeah, and then you see what it looks like when I finish. So I just used my last apple, and there you go, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna give it a taste. I'll try it and see how. Ooh, tastes so good. Tastes so good, guys. So that's it, guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.